In today's video, I'm going to teach you ChatGPT Guide 10x your results with better prompts. By the end, you'll know how to write prompts that get sharper, more useful answers every time. First, be clear and specific. Vague prompts create vague results. When you ask for something, spell out the topic, your goal, the format you want, the tone, and any must-include details. If you need a brief summary, say how long. If you're writing for a certain audience, name them. Instead of write about marketing, try write a 200-word LinkedIn post for small business owners about email list growth in a friendly, practical tone, ending with a single call to action. Clear instructions reduce guesswork and keep the output focused. Next, give context and examples. Background helps the model align with your needs. Share who you are, who the audience is, what constraints you have, and what success looks like. If you have a preferred style, paste a short sample and say, match this style. If you want a specific structure, include a quick example. The more relevant context you provide, the more the response will sound like it was made just for you. Third, use step-by-step instructions. Break bigger tasks into smaller ordered actions. Ask the model to follow a structure such as outline, draft, refine, summarize. For learning or research, request a staged explanation, starting with fundamentals and building to advanced points. For coding, specify. Propose an approach, write the function, include comments, and add a basic test. Clear steps reduce errors and make complex tasks manageable. Then, refine and follow up. Don't start over when the first answer is close but not perfect. Ask for targeted adjustments. Expand a section, shorten the intro, simplify jargon, change the tone, or add missing examples. You can ask it to compare two options, combine the best parts, or rewrite for a different audience level. Iterative prompting is how you move from decent to outstanding. Finally, experiment with prompt styles. Try role prompts to set perspective and expectations. Act as a marketing expert. Explain like I'm a beginner, or be a meticulous editor focusing on clarity and flow. You can also use creative or problem-solving frames to spark originality or rigor. When using roles, still be explicit about deliverables, constraints, and format. Roles guide the approach. Your specifics guide the output. Put these together: specific asks, rich context, structured steps, iterative refinement, and flexible styles, and you'll consistently unlock more precise, practical, and powerful results. Save your best prompts as templates, keep iterating, and watch your outcomes scale.